All right, today's the day we start. My son and I are changing out the tires so that we can move the truck easier. I picked up a set of some old Ford rims and hubcaps. Going to put these on so at least we can move the truck around. It's a 1967 Ford F100. My father bought this brand new. You can see the tires are pretty bad there. It doesn't look too bad there, huh? We could drive it now. Yeah, I don't think so. But hey, my father bought this truck brand new in 67. Since probably the end of the 70s. Last time I saw my father drive this. My goal is to work with my son and try to put this back together, get it roadworthy, register it, and head to Tulsa, Oklahoma for the May 30th. They're going to be trying a Guinness World Record of a largest cruise night. I guess it's called a cruise parade or a car parade. And it's got a lot of work, a lot of things to do. The motor's been sitting. It is free. So tomorrow I'm going to make a video. We'll get it fired up, hopefully, and get it running at least, so that it can move on its own. Going to check out the transmission, the clutch, make sure all that's working. And then we're going to bring it over into our garage from outside and start working on it little by little. Probably leave those tires. They look pretty nice on there. So that's what our plans are for right now. Right now, it's the the end of March. So it gives us about a month to get going on this. I think I might just do what Derek does on Vice Grip and just put a nice one of his clear coats over it and have a nice patina, I guess, and go from there. All in all, frame is solid. It's just been sitting, so we'll have to see how we can put the things together, pick up some parts, just so it won't fall apart while we're in the parade. Probably wouldn't look that great. But yes, bad part is it came with a lot of junk. The bed looks like it's pretty much gone. We're going to take a look at it and see how it is. Try starting it tomorrow. Have a good day.